Hello everyone, I am your educator Shrutika Gurjar. Today we will learn about something exciting. Insectivorous plants. Plants that can trap and eat insects. Can plants eat animals? Sounds odd, right? We usually imagine plants as a peaceful green beings, quietly making food through photosynthesis. But in some environments, plants actually trap and digest insects. Here's the big question: why would a green plant need to eat an insect? Do you know what these plants are called as? So, these plants are called insectivorous or carnivorous plants. Here's the important point. They are green, they still photosynthesize, but because their soils are poor in nitrogen and minerals, they supplement their diet with insects. So think of them as a vegetarian plants with a non-veg twist. Can you name one insect-eating plant you have heard of? Many of you might think of the Venus flytrap, but that's just one member of this fascinating club. Twist. Let's quickly meet four of these amazing species. Firstly, the Venus flytrap, which is Dionaea muscipula. So here the leaf works like a mousetrap. Here one question for you. Why do you think the plant doesn't snap shut immediately when something thing touches it once? Because it waits for two touches within seconds to avoid wasting energy on false alarms like raindrops or dust. Then this second plant is pitcher plant, which is Nepenthes. So here a leaf which becomes a leaf that becomes a pitcher filled with digestive juice. Okay. So here one question again. What feature helps the insect fall in and never climb out? So it's the waxy slippery rim of the pitcher. Then the third is Sundew, which is Drosera, a leaf with sticky tentacles that shine like drops of dew. Again, a question for you. If you were an insect, okay, so if you were an insect, why would be fooled by these drops? Answer is quite simple, that they look like a nectar droplets in the sunlight. Then the fourth one is bladderwort, which is Utricularia, a tiny aquatic trap that sucks in prey faster than you can blink. So why is this plant considered as the fastest plant predator? Because its bladder trap opens and closes in just milliseconds. So what did we learn? Insectivorous plants are still autotrophs that perform photosynthesis. But as the soil is nitrogen deficient, they adapted for catching insects. This adaptation allows them to survive in places where normal plants would die. And here's something to leave you with. If plants can already catch and digest insects, could evolution make them fully carnivorous one day? That's the kind of mystery that makes biology so fascinating. There are always exceptions to the rules of life.